I'm going to make a video today to show you what I can do to make the line goes out much better. Before I talk, please subscribe. Your subscription makes me happy. We all know that when we use braided line, the braided line is a little sticky. It's a little sticky. Because of that, it is not very smooth and it gets bird's nest easily. I have a solution to that. Because I'm a fly fisherman, I do fly casting all the time. We have to grease the line. We call this grease the line, which means that we have to clean the line. But you don't have to clean the line. You do this. You get one heavy duty silicone. It's about $6. Okay? You get a heavy duty silicone. And this is what you do. You take this off. Don't spray it. Teeny little bit of this. That's it. If you want to make it even better, you can just press this down. Let it come, let it roll, let it roll. That's it. Okay? Now by doing that, you can see how smooth it is for the line to come out, and there's no backlash. Okay? If you really want to make it work, you can do it like this way. Pass it out. Okay? Assume this is dry. Little silicone. Not a whole lot. Now why? This line gets greased in a sense. And it goes to these guides, it'll make it a little smooth. This is the secret. Okay? Try it. Can you see that? Now, some people say that you can sort of like put in the water before you use this. Go to the river and put in the water. But if you're practicing in the backyard like I do, you can do that. And even you are going to the water, you can do this before you cast out. You don't have to go to the water because this is better than the water and it's cleaner. Okay? Hopefully this is helpful to you. Thank you.